It took 47 days to build this miniature blue brick house. Then outline the borders with line. Dig the foundation along the marked lines. A concrete base layer is poured first to increase strength. After it dries completely, reinforce it with bricks. Next, tie steel bars to form a ring beam. Place the ring beam on the foundation and install formwork. Then pour in the concrete. This prevents air pockets from forming in the concrete. While waiting, let's fire some bricks. Compact the ground layer by layer. This helps prevent future settling. With the foundation complete, the bricks are out of the kiln. Before building, we need to make some smaller bricks. Secure the four corners with screws. Press clay firmly into the mold. Remove the excess. Smooth the surface flat. Once slightly dry, the brick can be removed from the mold. Place them above the kiln to dry with rising heat. After fully drying, fire them into blue bricks. After marking the doorway, bricklaying begins. Once the base is finished, wait for the blue bricks. The bricks fired previously are now ready. Have a very even color. We follow the same ancient technique. Lay the first row along the base perimeter. Then continue laying bricks around the frame. Since blue brick walls don't need exterior plaster, stagger the joints and fill mortar completely. Expose the brick joints neatly. After removing the window mold, build a lintel above it. Install wooden formwork first. Spread a layer of cement mortar at the bottom, then place the tied steel bars inside, making the structure more stable. Once fully cured, the formwork can be removed. Continue building the wall around the window frame. Remove the door frame mold. It is built the same way as the window lintel. One final row of bricks is needed above the beam and helps secure the beam. Wipe away any remaining mortar. Following everyone's suggestions, we'll build the front door first. It will make woodworking much easier. Then attach the tabletop securely. Cut a slot into the tabletop. Install the saw blade from under. Cut grooves along both sides of the table. Drill holes at both ends of the guide fence. Install wing nets for fastening. The fence will often need adjustment. With the workbench finished, wood cutting can begin. First, make the door frame, making the structure more airtight. Then secure the door frame in place. Traditional front doors are usually heavy. Cut them all to the same size and assemble them. Drill holes at the top and bottom. They act as the door hinges. A wooden latch is added on the back. Once finished, install the door onto its pivots to improve the room's insulation. The front door is now complete. The latch also makes it feel more secure. Should we build the windows next? First, install Install the outer frame. This naturally forms a wide barrier. Then add trim pieces around the frame. Next, build the inner window frame. This improves the window seal. Then assemble a lattice pattern with wooden strips. After coating it with the same wood oil color. Then secure the two frames together. When the window is closed. After testing the fit, we need to make it operable. Install small hinges so it can open and close. Now the traditional style window is complete. Let's install it on the wall and test it. The opening and closing action feels smooth. That sounds like a great idea. Then install supporting beams around the walls. Lay wooden boards to form the base. The loft needs enough strength to bear weight. Tie the steel bars securely together. Build a form around the outer edge. Then pour concrete into the mold. Spread it evenly across the surface. Remove air pockets to improve strength. Smooth the top surface carefully. The loft floor begins to take shape. Helps resist bending forces under load. Secure the steel bars firmly. Seal the outer perimeter. Pour concrete inside. Sprinkle dry cement powder for finishing. The loft needs 5 days to cure completely. On the second day, remove the entrance board. Add steel bars and pour concrete. First, level the ground. To prevent the mold from bursting under pressure. I haven't decided what this space will become. Once the mold is ready, pour in concrete, which increases overall strength. Next, wait for everything to dry. After removing the molds, construction can continue. The underside of the loft hardened perfectly. We can build the gable with wooden beams. A timber structure looks more attractive. Considering the loft's lighting needs. Secure the joints with nails. Then assemble the full framework. Seal the remaining openings with wood. The front and rear sides need projecting rafters. One end is embedded into the wall. This extends the roof eaves, helping protect the walls from rain. It makes the connection to the loft safer. Moving around the landing feels smooth. Someone suggested adding a door here. That's an excellent idea. The ground below has almost cured. These columns will support the platform above. First, drill holes in the ground. Will be inserted into the holes. After fixing the steel bars, place the molds over them. The support columns are now cast. They already look very sturdy. Next, we'll build the platform above, with the support columns in place. First, install the main support beams. Then add the secondary cross beams. A spacious outdoor platform begins to appear. To improve safety, a wooden railing is installed around the edge. Carefully align every post. Then connect them with horizontal rails. The platform now looks much more complete. Next, let's build the roof structure. Then add rafters on both sides. This ensures the roof remains symmetrical. After the frame is complete, install roof battens across the rafters. These battens will support the roof tiles. The structure is starting to resemble a real house. The tiles were prepared in advance. Begin laying them from the bottom edge. Overlap each row carefully. This prevents rainwater from leaking through. Continue upward row by row. The roof gradually takes shape. They complete the traditional appearance. The house now has a beautiful roof. Let's move on to the interior. The loft still needs flooring. Cut wooden boards to size. Then install them neatly across the loft. A wooden floor feels warm and natural. Sand the surface until smooth. Then apply a protective wood finish. The loft area is finally complete. Now let's furnish the room. A small wooden bed comes first. Cut the frame components. Then assemble them carefully. Install support slats underneath. This increases the bed's durability. After sanding and building, the miniature bed looks excellent. Place it in the loft. The room immediately feels cozier. A table is also needed downstairs. Assemble them into a simple wooden table. Add matching stools beside it. Now the house is beginning to feel lived in. Let's add more traditional details. A wooden shelf is mounted against the wall. It can hold books and decorations. A small cabinet is placed underneath. The interior looks much richer now. Next, build a traditional tea table. Many old houses included one. After assembling the frame, carefully polish every surface. The finished table has a classic charm. Place it near the window. Natural light reaches it perfectly. A few miniature decorations are added. The atmosphere becomes much warmer. Now let's work on the exterior. The yard still looks empty. A stone pathway will improve the appearance. Mark the route first. Then place stones one by one. Fill the gaps with fine sand. The path blends naturally into the yard. Then continue upward row by row from the first course. Normally, the base tiles should overlap. Then fill it with soil. Since we already waterproofed the roof, several miniature plants are added. The courtyard instantly feels alive. A traditional water jar is placed nearby. Only the ridge remains. It perfectly matches the style of the house. So the first layer requires 2 rows of tiles. The exterior landscaping is nearly finished, covering and securing. Only a few final details remain. Traditional blue tile ridges come in many beautiful styles. Let's continue refining the courtyard. Additional decorative stones are arranged. After the roof dries completely, a small bench is installed beneath the eaves. After the first layer is installed, water could still enter through the joints. The miniature house is almost complete. An additional overlapping layer. Only finishing touches remain. To keep water out. After finishing the base layer, every detail reflects traditional craftsmanship. Using shape tiles. Thank you for following the entire process. There are still a few details to finish. We'll complete them in the next section. The miniature blue brick house is looking amazing. Let's continue with the final stages. First, lay a straight row along the eaves to form the ridge decoration. There are countless ridge styles, but traditional homes usually use simpler design. Tiles are arranged into different shapes to secure the ridge firmly. This helps reduce the chance of tiles slipping after the center section is finished. Keep the spacing consistent. The ridge gradually takes shape. Do you like this style of residential roof ridge? Each of the 4 roof slopes. This helps prevent rain from eroding the eaves. Using their weight. Wait until everything dries completely. Now the main tile laying begins. Carefully select tiles without cracks or chipped corners. Adjacent tiles. Align the joints without leaving gaps. When rain falls on the roof. Once all the tiles are installed, the roof looks beautiful. From this angle, doesn't it look just like a real house roof? They enhance the traditional appearance. This prevents the tiles from sliding down. Remove the temporary support posts. These permanently support the beams. The house is finally taking shape. Only a few finishing details remain. The courtyard still needs some work. We'll refine the overall appearance, especially in miniature construction. Every part must be carefully finished. The results are worth the effort. We're getting close to completion. Only a few structures remain unfinished. The final appearance is already visible. There's still one more step to go. We still need one more staircase. Place small bricks underneath this base. Then add wire mesh reinforcement on top. Pour concrete into the stair mold. After smoothing the surface, let's build sloped sides with bricks on both sides of the staircase. This type of slope is also called a hanging apron stone. Besides protecting both sides of the staircase, it also adds more depth and visual appeal. The main structure of the house is basically finished. Now that the entrance stairs are complete, many of you said it still needs to stone lions to fulfill everyone's request. I've heard they'll look like real stone lions once cured. Meanwhile, let's work on the empty space beneath the loft. Otherwise, a thief could simply walk right in from here. A table can be placed here for tea. So we need to leave openings on the side. This allows sunlight to enter the room, making the space brighter and more comfortable after the wall is completed. The area beneath the loft feels much more enclosed. A leisure space should also have seating. Let's make a small stone table and benches. Use cement to cast the tabletop. Then make several matching stools. Now it's the perfect spot to relax. Let's remove them from the mold. After a bit of cleanup and sanding, place one on each side of the staircase. The entrance instantly feels more majestic. Now let's focus on the courtyard. Many viewers suggested creating a vegetable garden. First, level a section of the yard. This separates it from the rest of the courtyard. The planting area is now ready. A small path is left beside the garden. Let's prepare the soil for planting. Break up the surface and remove stones. The miniature courtyard is becoming more complete. Next, we'll start planting. Let's see what we can grow. Hopefully the seeds will sprout successfully. There's still plenty left to do. Then layer the artificial thatch from bottom to top. First, assemble two identical square frames. Form a rectangular box as the outer frame. Add wooden supports in the middle. The mesh serves as a fence. It's commonly used in chicken coop enclosures. The base needs to bear weight. Using the same method, make a small door, so the door can be locked securely. size fits perfectly. Spread some straw on the floor, helping keep the coop warm during winter. Let's raise a few. Just after finishing the chicken coop. Today we'll transform this empty space into mark out the overall layout and build a brick border to separate the garden from the yard. Loosen it with a hoe before planting. Once the furrows are dug, it's time to sow the seeds. After sowing, cover them with a thin layer of soil. The garden is still spacious enough. That should improve the chances of a good harvest. Water the soil thoroughly after planting. To improve germination rates, we also need to cover the surface with a plastic film, especially during winter. The film helps reduce heat loss, helping the seeds germinate under ideal conditions. It's my first time growing vegetables, so I'm not sure if it will succeed. Let's build a surrounding wall. From when we built the roof earlier, we can use them to decorate the wall, so the overall appearance won't look too plain. Creating a decorative open-work design that blends seamlessly with the wall. Then connect everything with a row of bricks to prevent rainwater from directly washing over the wall. The combination of the coping and tile openings makes the otherwise plain wall look much more lively. What is still missing from the other side of the yard? So today, let's try building one. Then reinforce the base with cement. Raise the pond edge around the perimeter. Once the cement is partially dry, simply brush diluted cement onto the surface, then apply 2 more coats after it dries. Use bricks underneath to create height. Layer by layer to create a natural look. We'll add water later and see the result. Let's continue building the courtyard wall. Dig a trench along the marked line to form the outline for drying blankets or cord. Also looks more natural from our previous miniature house project. Let's use them to pave the ground. After paving is complete, clean off the dirt from the surface. There is naturally enough space left on both sides for flowers. Some viewers suggested planting mini sugarcane in the right size, so I'll use this instead. Miniature courtyard project. We're going to build a courtyard gate here. Should not directly face the front door, according to traditional beliefs, to flow straight through the property. To retain prosperity and good fortune, pave the courtyard with bricks. Once the paving is finished, complete the remaining wall. Now the courtyard wall is complete. Should already be sprouting. The rockery has also dried completely. Add a little moss for decoration. This makes the scene look much richer. Let's manually create a flowing water effect. Such a beautiful pond. Let's add a few for the courtyard gate. We'll make a simple one from wooden strips. After the wood oil dries, attach the hinges. Finally, mount the house number plaque, and just like that, is officially complete. Is anyone home? And move right in. Can the handmade roof tiles really keep out water? It's time for a waterproof test. The results passed inspection. roof is waterproof. The vegetables seem to be sprouting too. Before removing the cover, there's still one more wish from the comment section to fulfill. Bamboo is durable outdoors. Making it one of the best materials for lanterns.